Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable the sleep mode in Windows 11, right? So first thing you want to do is just simply click the Windows icon on your taskbar and type Control Panel. Right now you will see the Control Panel here. You want to go ahead and open that. Now once you're here guys, you want to look for power options, right? So here's the power options. You want to open that. Now the next step you want to do is you want to click on the option on the left side that says change when the computer sleeps, right? So you click on that, and here you will see you have two options, the on battery and the plugged in, right? So for both of these you will see the option here. You want to go ahead and change them to never. Now as you can see, I have mine set to never, and this is what you want to do. If you currently want to turn off the option as well that says turn off the display, you can set that as well to never, or leave it as 30 minutes or whichever minutes you want. And as you can see, you are from 1 minute all the way up to never, right? So you can go ahead and you can play around it. But yes, in order to turn off or disable your computer from going to sleep, you just need to change both of these options to never. And then once you do that, all you have to do is just simply click Save Changes. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.